Hi everyone, so I'm about to share another journal with you, and this one is another shabby one, but this kit that I used is from My Porch prints, and it's called Shabby Grunge Vintage Journal Kit, and it's a traveller's notebook size. Really pretty kit, and I actually used some of the pages to do the cover. The cover I used like designer cardstock, you know, the ones you don't like I don't even know why I bought some of the ones that I've got, because they're absolutely just not my style whatsoever. Anyway, I covered the crappy designer cardstock with this lovely printout from the kit, and then I topped it. I made a topper, and it's got some lace and cheesecloth. I also used some of Stephanie's definition labels that I had them already printed out, and on the inside here I've actually put, you know, the thick paper bags. Been saving them up from my grocery shopping deliveries because they're really thick, and I've got tons of them, so I done that. I didn't do coffee dyed paper, but this is a nice solid, it's soft and it's hard at the same time, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It's not kind of squishy and floppy or anything like that. So like I said, it's a traveller's notebook size. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There is one signature, 60 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop. I do have some other journals listed, and I've got them reduced over this weekend. They will be gone back up to full price on Tuesday. So I've knocked £5 off of them all, and there will be £5 reduced on this one as well. And then, like I said, if they haven't gone, they're going back up. I've just done it as like a weekend special type thing, because here in the UK it's a bank holiday weekend, which means Monday is a day off for most people. So let's get inside. And I applied some of this to the outside, so it's got a bit of a shine to it. It's not sticky. The stuff is not sticky whatsoever. Just to because it was the papers, I always like to, like the printout papers, I do like to kind of seal them because they're not thick, just in case. So yeah, you can kind of see like the brush mark on it, which I think adds to it a little bit. I've got some eyelets, and I've got this brown organza ribbon. I've had to order organza ribbon because I'm kind of running very low, so I'm using up all the little bits that I have left over. And let's go inside and let's make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so as you can see, it's that brown paper bag, and that's all been, every layer has been glued down, so there's no like empty space in between, if that makes sense. So this is one of the pages from the TN kit. There's loads of other pages, but I've only used a few. So that, isn't it pretty? So that lovely, and it is like I said, shabby grungy. So I made a big tall pocket using some cardstock, some background papers, one of these large tags from the kit, and then this is one of the definition tags, and inside there we've just got a stenciled coffee dyed tag, and it's been topped with a tab here. All the papers have been coffee dyed. This is the old design shop. Here is a triple pocket, and you get that, and you've just got to cut it out. I cut it out and backed it as well, and then you just glue it all together, and it gives you your 3 pockets. I made some tags from some of the background papers as well. I need to add a little bit more glue there, so I'll do that now. So yeah, I hope you're all having a great weekend. The weather is beautiful here. We've been having some really rubbish weather, as you've probably heard me talk about, but this weekend has been lovely. Right, so that's one of the journal cards from the kit as well. It's all been backed onto coffee dyed paper. That's 2 little tags from the kit, and they just go in there. I mean, you can put them anywhere you like really, but that's where I've put them. And it's just got some thin ribbon on there, some lined paper, some lace trim on the edge of the paper, another page from the kit. Here, some of the elements from the kit I made pockets with. So, and we have another stenciled tag there. It's been coffee dyed. And this was actually like a file folder thing, but it was too big for my pockets. So I just trimmed off the little bits. But it's still pretty papers, and that's been coffee dyed as well. Sorry, pretty patterns, I should say. And this is one of the tags from the kit. I was going to put some a tab or something on there, but I didn't want to cover over like the month where it says October, so that's why that's not got a tab on it. The Old Design Shop. Here, pockets from the kit, and this is a tag that I made from one of the background pages, and another tag I made from one of the background pages, and that's gone on a little bit skewer. Another little tag from the kit, and a little envelope. There's nothing in the envelope, so it's somewhere for you to put something. Another tab, and another page from the kit. Corner tuck here, and I made that from one of the background pages, and this is one of the definition labels. This is just like a double tag, and that just goes in there. We have 2 tags from the kit, and some crocheted trim here. Another page from the Old Design Shop. Little corner pocket, which you get I think 5 of these in the kit. Another stenciled tag. Another this is like a double. You don't have to, like, you can cut that up and actually make a tag out of that, you know, 2 tags out of it, but I kept it like that as like a double journal card. And then you get this with the kit, so I'll put that in there as well. Some lined paper, got some nice piece of pen paper here, and then here is one of the, you get an envelope, and I assume that it's to put in the center, but I guess you can do other things with it as well, but obviously I've put it in the center. And then this little envelope that you get from the kit. I will put a link to the kit below if you haven't already purchased it, and I'll just put that in there. Some lined paper. Here we just have another little pocket there with a tag that I've coffee dyed and stenciled, and another double journal card. Again, that's something you could actually, you know, split that in 2 and make 2 things out of it if you wanted to. Options are there. This is from the kits. I think everything is really from the kits, apart from like the extra coffee dyed tags and the papers from the Old Design Shop. Another tag that I made using one of the background papers, and that's got some pizza pan markings on there. And another tag from the kit, and that's just like a little mini writing page book. This is the definition labels. Isn't that a pretty page? Another little pocket there, and it's got little like stamp marks and some writing and all that on there. And another tag that I made from one of the background pages, and because I backed that onto coffee dyed paper, it's still a little bit stiff. Little tag from the kit, another little envelope, nothing in it, some trim, another pocket, and that was using another element from the kit, a large tag. This was a file folder type thing, like the other one. I chopped the bits off. And another tag there from the kit. Another triple pocket, another tag that I made from one of the background pages. That's another tag from the kit. 2 little tags, and that's the triple pocket, and that's like the other one, wherever it is, that you get you get all that and you just cut it up and put it all together. And here's another pocket. It says Imagine, and it's just got a tag in there. You see that marking on there? That's from I've noticed I was putting, when I'm drying these, I've got a video on showing you how to iron dry your coffee dyed paper. Obviously this is cardstock, so this old tea towel that I'm using is kind of waffly, so I was getting the imprint from that, and I thought that was kind of neat. Amazing little things that make us happy, isn't it? And there we go, the back page. So there we go, another journal. I enjoyed using that kit. It's another one I'll definitely be doing again real soon. I think I might do a little bit of mix and match with ARTYmaze's Something Shabby and this, to see how well they go together. And there we go. So like I said, this is called, from My Porch Prints, it's called Shabby Grungy TN. I will link it below. And like I said, this will be listed in my shop, and all my journals have £5 off until tomorrow. So have a great weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.